have Professor Nandore Elena to give us this workshop. And so the goal of this workshop is to bring the basic understanding of the quantum computing and also the state of art right now and some of the use cases.
Ones that I think are quite relevant when we think about the evolution. If each square gets double the number that you have for the previous square, starting with 1 at the beginning, it's not a big thing, right? Because it doesn't seem like it's very big. So you start with 1, but then after a week, you have 128. And this is because you have 2 to the 7, right? And then after a month, you get, a much larger number. As you can see here, this whole mountain of rice bags. And if we finish the whole chessboard, we get 535 billion metric tons of rice. So when you think about a coin, what are the values of a coin? It's either head or tails, right? It can be in either of those. So that kind of like similarly to a bit. It's either 1 or 0, head or tails, right? But what happens if I spin the coin? We have a block sphere. So you're computing, this is what you use to compute. So you're rotating and you're doing all your operations using this sphere. But that's the biggest difference, right? When you think about it, you're in a multi-dimension. You already are pretty close to your solution, right? So you need less samples to get to the solution. You need to think about is the chip design. So either you or we work with an expert, we're going to talk about what can we do with a quantum computer. So there is an ecosystem, right? Like with any other technology. They have promised that by 2025, they will have 1 million plus qubits.